Hello everyone, welcome to another while loop solution problem where we're going to look at question 5, fizz buzz. From 1 to 50, if the number is a multiple of 3, we're going to print fizz. If it's a multiple of 5, we're going to print buzz. If they're both, we're going to print fizz buzz. I just want to quickly note that a YouTuber named Tom Scott, who is a mathematician and computer scientist, created a wonderful video about the problem, and he goes into a deeper dive. But in this video, we're just going to do a quick little Python solution solve the problem by using a while. So we're analyzing numbers from 1 to 50, so I'm going to start at a value of 1. And we're going to loop while our start value is less than or equal to 50, because I want to include a value of 50. We're going to analyze the last condition first. If the number is a multiple of both 3 and 5. So if we say start modulus 3 equals 0, and start modulus 5 is equal to 0, I'm going to print fizz buzz. This is because there are numbers that can be both, and I want to handle that first before I output fizz or before I output buzz for those kind of numbers. Then if that failed, as in if our number that we're looking at is not a multiple of 3 and 5, it can be one of these two, so we're going to check those conditions now. In this scenario, it wasn't both, but it was a multiple of 3, and it must print fizz. In this scenario, conditions here, it wasn't a multiple of 3, but it was a multiple of 5. So only one of the options from our first condition, we're going to output buzz. Now, at this point, if it fails all of them, we're going to go to our else statement, and we're just going to print the value of start. And we're going to make sure our while loop ends by incrementing our start variable by 1 on every iteration. And we're going to end our while loop here. Let's run the program. So from 1 to 50, this will be our output, with buzz being our last output. Once again, I highly recommend that you check out the Tom Scott video. He goes into the deeper dive how this is an interview question for coders. Thank you for watching. Classic.